Dear students, welcome back to Digital Learning, an initiative by Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Government of Karnataka. In this session, we are going to learn the concept of commerce and trade. Outcome of this session is to make students to have the concept clarity with regard to commerce and trade. Let us learn different types of trade. Here, trade may be categorized broadly into two types. One is home trade and the other one is foreign trade. Home trade is further classified into wholesale trade and domestic trade, and the foreign trade is further classified into three, that is import trade, secondly export trade, and counter trade. Now, let us know the meaning of home trade. Home trade is buying and selling of goods or services within a political and geographical boundaries of a country. Home trade is also known as domestic trade or internal trade. Here, both the seller and buyer belongs to the same country, belongs to one country. This home trade can be further subdivided as wholesale trade and secondly retail trade. So let us know the meaning of wholesale trade. Under wholesale trade, it involves buying large quantities from producers or manufacturers and selling in lots to retailers for resale to consumers. The wholesaler is a link between manufacturer and retailer. Wholesaler acts as an intermediary between producers and retailers. Generally, wholesaler is a specialist in a limited variety of goods. And the second one is retail trade. Here, under retailer trade, it involves buying in smaller lots from the wholesaler and selling in very small quantities to the consumers for personal use. The retailer is the last link in the chain of distribution. He establishes a link between wholesaler and the consumers. There are different types of retailers, small as well as large. Now, let us know the meaning of foreign trade. Foreign trade refers to buying and selling of goods or services between two or more different countries. It is also known as external trade or international trade. Here, seller and buyer belongs to two different countries. Foreign trade can be further subdivided as import trade, export trade, counter trade. foreign trade is further subdivided into three, that is import, export and counter trade. Now, let us know what is import trade. Import trade takes place when a trader in home country obtains or purchases goods from a trader located in another country. Here, a trader from India, for example, a trader from India purchases goods from a trader located in China. Here, and the next one is export trade. Under export trade takes place when a trader from home country sells his goods to a trader located in another country. For example, a trader from India sells his goods to a trader located in China. Under import trade, a trader from India purchases goods from trader located in other country. Under export trade, a trader from India sells his goods to a trader located in another country. And the last one is counter trade. Here, the counter trade is also called as barter trade. Counter trade takes place within a country. Also, through we have shown it as a part of foreign trade. Counter trade refers to exchange of goods for goods. Now, let us learn the advantages of trade. Under advantages of trade, here we have listed two advantages of trade. The first one is it leads to an increase in international ties. And secondly, increases standard of living among trading nations. So these are the two advantages of trade. These are the references which I already mentioned in the previous sessions. Thank you.